Hello guys, do you need to lose the hard ground? Tiller is the right attachment to do that. I have 62-inch tiller here, which has 39 hard blades to make the ground loose up to 15 centimeters. To adjust the depth, I have this ski here, which I can bolt it for the depth of 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters. What I like on this attachment is I can operate it in both directions. When I drive forward, I should turn the blades in this way, but when I drive backward, I should turn it this way. Let's get in the cabin, I will show you how to operate it. So, to operate the tiller, you start the machine, press to operate, press the auxiliary, standard flow only. This model is the only standard flow model. Then you start the rotation, full RPM, and slowly put the attachment in the ground. You drive forward. If you do the bigger surfaces, it's good to start from the right to the left, because the ski will not be marked in the area. You have to keep the good speed. If it's rocky, like here, you need to go really slowly. When you are on the end of the pass, you change the rotation and you drive backward. So, job is done, ground is really loose. I had to pass it 2 times. My tip is, if you just need to slightly lose it, drive only backward. But if you need fine loose ground, pass it forward and backward. Thank you for watching, leave me a comment, and I wish you happy work with the tiller.